Hello, Joe Wehbe here from Sydney Listings. Welcome to Unit 20 at 12 to 14 Bellbrook Avenue in Hornsby. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom and 1-car space apartment in a lovely, very tranquil block set in the beautiful leafy suburb of Hornsby. So you've got one secure car spot down underneath in the garage. Just to tell you a bit about the location, you're about a 5-minute walk from Hornsby Westfield and all the surrounding retail precinct. You're probably about a 10-minute walk from Hornsby train station, thereabouts. So it's a very, very convenient, lovely spot. Obviously you're well serviced by train lines and public transport and plenty of amenity in your area. Now to the apartment. So what you've got is a very fantastic, spacious layout. The kitchen, I'll start with, is particularly massive. Again, so this is I believe a 1999 build. So back then as a double brick building, although it doesn't have dishwasher aircon currently, the double brick insulates very well, keeps it very cool in summer, very warm in winter. Right now it's quite a hot day outside, but it's quite lovely and ambient inside, which is fantastic. And I'm sure you can appreciate that it's not often you find a generous kitchen space like this when you're looking at apartments. Intercom is there. Again, very, very big, generous living area, very well lit. We're up on the top floor of this complex. I'll just show you quickly the laundry. It comes with a dryer. You're just looking at the hot water system there for your apartment. All right, some lovely storage. Okay, we'll go into the main bathroom. All right, so you've got a lovely big shower, toilet, vanity. Okay, it's a bathroom. Come around here. This is your second bedroom with built-in wardrobes with quite the lovely leafy outlook. It's quite a pleasant space. Okay, walking back through, we'll go to the master. Okay, now I know what you're thinking. Where's the ensuite? Well, surprise, surprise, look at your built-ins. Guess what we've got for you in case you want to be hiding from the kids or your flatmate. We've got a nice concealed ensuite bathroom. And there you have it. So nice and private. Yeah, nice little design feature. And then last but not least, again, like I said, you're at the top floor. So it's what I love about this block, to be so close to a train station and a shopping centre, but to be able to have that lovely sunlight coming down on you. This is a late morning recording that I'm doing this. Beautiful leafy outlook. It's everything you associate with the Hornsby sort of northern bushy leafy environment. And you've got that ambient living style here. So if you're interested at all, just check out the ad for the property or head to sydneylistings.com.au and our team will be more than happy to help you have a look at this one. Thank you.